channel, Myra. How are you all? So today I'm going to be sharing with you about the drone show, Popmart show, drone show, okay? So basically it's only yesterday and today. So basically they just put this thing because it was National Day on 9th August. So yeah, see? Boxes. They actually wrote it down and painted it. They painted this thing, it's so cool. And that's the Milan. So yeah, there's many eating options here you can choose. These are just food paintings, they're not real food, but they...
Please be gentle and kind to me so that everyone can enjoy. Please don't hurt
The handwriting is neat, don't you think? But also really small. Wait, they're actually real. Look, like they look so real, but these are real. So cool. That is actually glass. Those cards. Wow, cool. This is a Fullerton Hotel. It's built by Lego. So cool. So yes, this is a masterpiece. This is a certificate. It's very big and very impressive. See? So cool. Like a doll could live in this. Bay Sand, that's the Art and Science Museum, and the boats pass by here. It's daily. See, there's so many boats. And then that's the Art and Science Museum, Singapore Flyer. More buildings. And Louis This drone show starts at 8:15 p.m. There's only one time for it. And it featured 1,300 drones in the sky. And there's many Popmart characters. Some Popmart characters which most people know and love. Like Labubu and Molly, Crybaby, Skull Panda, Hirano, and Demu. Usually from this side you can only see the side view. You can't see it from the front because it's facing towards the side. It was only on 22nd and 23rd August. It suddenly appeared, but just for 2 days. So some people might have missed it altogether.
especially Labubu. So 10 out of 10, very good.
I hope you like my video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Thank you.